got the ribs cooking in this grill right here. So today we are going to compare ribs from the French side and the Dutch side of St. Martin. And don't forget to stay to the end, because when we get to the end, we're going to compare two types of rice. Ribs cooking in this grill right here, and let me tell you, they don't need no extra sauce on them. They're really good. Let's ask Nene. She is the rib queen. She'll tell you the truth. What you think, Nene?
You know what? I can't remember the last time I ate ribs with no sauce. But these, excellent.
What?
Tender, flavorful, well seasoned. Couldn't ask for anything more if you're gonna have some ribs with no sauce. They gotta be good. These are good. Once again, St. Martin. Even on the Dutch side, food doesn't disappoint.
Right, here is the taste test. Now, y'all seen when we had the ribs on the Dutch side. Now we are trying the ribs on the French side. And Nene is going to try them and let us know.
Ribs no sauce.
What?
Ribs no sauce. Here we go. Tender. Well cooked, well seasoned.
She eat it.
You know what?
What?
I'd say this is a close second, but I still think the ribs on the Dutch side got me sold. But these are good. No doubt about it. You know, we love so soft for our ribs in the States.
They don't need
Some
sauce.
people say, that ain't how they're supposed to be. It's how they're supposed to be. All right, let's do it.
I couldn't decide on which rice to try. So we have curry rice, and then we have rice and peas. So I said, just give me them both so I can try it, right? So let's try the curry rice first.
All right.
And as you see, it has carrots in it, it has peas in it. That's actually pretty good.
Good flavor.
Definitely curry. Yep, taste the curry in it. All right, let's try this side. Let me rinse my mouth first. With my guava berry juice. This is considered the rice and peas. It has beans in it. This one's a little bit more mild, but a little bit more mild, but a little bit more moist. This one definitely has the curry flavor, but a little bit more drier. But they're both good. It may be ideal just to eat them together. Now that works together.